as you see here, we have two structure points, or pretty much significant points. This one here at 120, 124.35, and this is at 124.06, and these 2 points are exactly where the Euro Swiss is at this moment in time. As I said, we have 104, 124.06 and 124.35. When you have two structure points so close to each other, they act as a double whammy, a double resistance, and if they break above it, it's going to have quite an explosive move if it gets above either or both those structure points. So we are now closed the week at 123.95. Okay, and as you can see, this day is exactly like the chart of the dollar that we had, and I told you that was a buy signal on the dollar, and it's a 1, 2, 3 buy signals right there. That by itself is 3 buy signals, and we nearly closed. So actually long structural buy point is actually closer than my initial buying point. So I'm going to be buying the Euro Swiss above the 124. So my long point is 124.00, and my structural long point okay, so my long point and my structural are one and the same. What do you mean, peg? I don't understand what peg means. So my long point and my structural long point and the stop is one and the same. On the short side, the market would open above the 124, then you can chase it. You have to chase it, wait for a pullback. What about the peg? What about intervention? Intervention is going to be in your favor. It's going to push the euro up. You're going to intervene against the Swiss, so you're going to push it down. It's the same thing as the yen. Okay? So you should pray and go down on your knees and say, please have some intervention, so you're going to make money. Look at this, if these are your daily highs and lows right there, so we can take it above the 12, you can take it above the 15, you want to be getting. So if it breaks above this highs and it stays above the 120, 124 or 6 or the 124, you just jump in and buy and place your stop below the 124. Okay? Now on the short side, look at all those areas over here. So, and each of them has held, so there is no reason to short the Euro Swiss unless it trades below the 123.61. So your short point is the 123.61, and I don't know any close by structural points. The nearest structural point is there is now nothing. I mean, the nearest one is 118.10. That's the nearest one. And again, 118.10. What you're having now is a manipulated currency. I mean, this is now a currency that the government is setting a price. It has pegged it against the euro at 120, whatever, I think 122, 124, and now if they peg it at 125, so your downside, your there isn't too much downside pressure in any case. All right, so you want to be a buyer of it, and you're looking for a move towards the above the 124. Okay, that is the Euro Swiss. Let me